Ever dreamed of banking that's refreshingly easy and actually fits your life? Today, let's jump into how to open your very own Metro bank account, a bank known for its convenience and customer service. First things first, decide where to begin. You can either waltz into your nearest Metro bank branch with extended hours, no less, or, if you prefer the comfort of your couch, start online. Either way, be ready to provide a few essential things. You'll need some form of valid identification, like a passport or a driving license. Metro Bank will also ask for proof of your address, like a recent utility bill or a bank statement. Next, you'll need to complete the application form, whether physical or online. This includes providing basic information like your name, contact details, and employment status online. It's a simple, step-by-step process. In branch, a friendly team member can walk you through it. Afterwards, you'll be assessed to see if you meet all eligibility requirements, which may include age and location restrictions, as some services are only available to those living in specific areas. Finally, you will need to deposit some money into your new account to activate it, either using cash or check. Congratulations! Once your application is approved and everything is in place, you'll receive your debit card and access to Metro Bank's suite of banking services. From managing your money through their EasyToS mobile app or using it at any of their stores, with your new account, you can begin to experience banking in a whole new way. And that's how to open your new Metro bank account. Now you're all set. Go get started with your banking journey.